is powerful even if it done perfectly up to 1 second. Not 1 minute, not 1 hour. 1 second also have power. Concentrate on our own I. Concentrate there with all our powers. It is the really valuable thing in our life. Looking into your own self is the really valuable thing. While looking into your own self, peace is coming, happiness is coming, individual happiness, not from others, not from other bodies, not from other objects. Your own happiness will come, will flow, will overflow from our heart. You cannot escape it. If it flows, if happiness flows from our heart, you cannot escape. Not only that, you cannot bear it also. Your mind will shrink for its weight. Your body can't bear it. If it is overflowed, your body can't bear it. Is it sorrow? No. It is happiness, real happiness. Your body cannot bear. If it comes, if it overflows, your body cannot bear. All these worldly happinesses are little happiness. You can bear it. Not only that, you will ask for more happiness. From worldly objects, you will ask for, I want more happiness, I want more happiness, I want more happiness. You will say it. In the case of worldly happiness. If it is your own happiness, you can't bear it. It will flow, overflow. You can't bear it. If somebody is there in front of you, you will transfer our happiness into that man or object or a bird by simply by a glance, by touch, by your presence. This is overflown happiness. All the devotees who are sitting in front of a self-realized person feel a peace, a smoothness, a gentleness, a calmness. It is overflown happiness of that Guru. Bliss is independent. Bliss is ecstatic. Bodies cannot bear it. Human bodies cannot bear it. It's just like a storm, heavyweight storm. You may enjoy a simple rain. Can you enjoy a heavy rain? That happiness, individual happiness, which is coming from in our heart, is just like a heavy rain. You can't bear it. Your body will shrink. What about our doership? Bhagavan have no doership, but we have doership. What about our doership? There are two methods. A simple method, but a temporary method is repeatedly remember, I am not the doer, I am not doing this, my body is doing. I am not doing. My body is doing, I am not doing. And repeatedly remember it. It is an easy method, but a temporary method. What is the temporary method? Repeatedly remember, I am not the doer, I am not doing this one. While doing so many words, from bed to bed. In this meantime, always remember, I am not the doer. I am not doing anything. My body is doing. I am not my body. Who am I? Then sorrow will stop. Frustration will stop. Up to some time only. Not fully. Rainbows also appear for a few minutes. There is a rainbow in the sky. Look at that. It is temporary. This first method is also temporary. But it's just like a rainbow. Fully colored. What is that first method, temporary method? I am not the doer, I am not doing this, I am not doing, my body is doing, I am not my body. I am not doing, my body is doing, I am not my body. Who am I? You will enter into your own question. Enter into it. This repetition of these words will finally enter into your own question, own heart. I am not the doer. I am not doing anything. My body is doing. I am not my body. Then who am I? Again, entering into your own heart. That is the first method, temporary method. What is the permanent one? This is a temporary one, not a permanent one. Up to